So my December Boxycharm came in yesterday. No keys were displaced. Everything was where it should be, so kudos to Canada Post for not giving my makeup to someone else. I already opened it yesterday, and I'm just gonna share what I got with you guys. I'm probably gonna do a makeup look after this. You'll be able to find that video in the description box below when I upload that one. And yeah, let's just get right on in. Don't mind my face, I don't know what the hell is going on. So yeah, this is the December one. It's in a smaller box, but it still has my 5 products, my 5 full products. Like I mentioned, I already opened this yesterday. This is how it came. These are my products here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't remember if I said this in my last video, but when it comes to this box, at the beginning of the month, you get your choice, which basically is where you can decide what one of the products is in your box. So my choice for December, I keep forgetting because it came 30 days from the first, but my choice for December's box was the banana powder. And this goes for $35. The lighting is gonna keep changing. This innovative matte powder is lightly banana scented, and extremely versatile, used to conceal dark under eyes, which I have, set concealer and foundation, highlight, or even as a matte eyeshadow. Should I open it? I don't think I opened anything in my last one. It does smell like banana, just a little bit. The second product that I'm gonna read off the list is the Artist Couture Caliente palette. This palette goes for $30. Comes with a good size mirror. This is the palette that I'm gonna do a look with today. This palette features 5 buttery mattes, 2 richly pigmented metallics. We're gonna see in my next video if this is true. I'm not gonna swatch in this video. And 1 multi-dimensional high pearl shade. I think that's the color that I wanted to use. Okay. Now a lot of people on the website were complaining because it just came like this. Like there was no box, there was nothing to protect it. There wasn't even a protective little thing on the eyeshadow. So this could have came damaged, this could have came all types of fucked up, but mine didn't. But a lot of the complaints were that it didn't have its own box, but I was thinking that's pretty good because just less waste. 1 less box to throw out and throw into the earth, and you know, let's save the earth, people. Next on my list is I think this is the Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. This goes for $49. So this next one is kind of exciting just because I haven't owned this kind of product from this company before. They sent me a MAC Retro Matte Lipstick. Now, let me backtrack. I've owned a MAC face powder in like 2008. Never went back to MAC since. This little guy retails for $19. $19. The lighting in here is just atrocious. This is in the color Runaway Hit. Yeah, I opened this one because I was like, oh my god, I've never owned a MAC lipstick before. It's like a little bullet. Very natural. This might look good on me. And it smells like a lipstick. This lipstick smells like what I would assume that all lipsticks smell like. It smells good. And the last thing in my box, the original makeup eraser, the sponge. I guess the name is just called the sponge. Cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, 100% vegan. I guess you can wash this in the machine, like with laundry. Oh, so it goes in this little ball. What is the sponge has like, I don't know if you guys can see that. Weird dents or lines in it. I don't know if that's normal. Has like cuts on this side. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see that. This sponge retails for $18. I guess. I don't know how I feel about that price. But yeah, $18 for this. It's funny I got this because my cat ruined my other sponge, so I only have one. So now I have another one that I can wash in the machine. Oh, okay. But anyway guys, yeah, that is the end of my Boxycharm unboxing. If you like the video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video.